In 2016, nearly 78% of voters in Massachusetts supported a citizen-initiated ballot question prohibiting egg-laying hens from being held in confined spaces. The state Senate and House recently passed an act further regulating hen welfare and establishing uniform cage-free standards, better known as Hens and Eggs. The legislation strengthened the law set to go into effect in 2022 by mandating cage-free housing with critical behavioral enrichments for the birds, such as nest boxes, perches, and dust bathing and scratching areas. Governor Baker signed the bill into law on Wednesday, December 22nd. To find out more about what this means for the egg industry and local consumers, we spoke with Senator Becca Rausch, who is the chair of the Joint Committee on Environment, Natural Resources, and Agriculture.
The bill pertaining to hens and eggs basically takes the 2016 ballot measure provisions with regard to cage-free eggs and updates those standards to account for the development that has happened in the cage-free egg industry over the last 5 years. And it really allows for the use of vertical space, which the animal advocates and the industry people as well all say that it allows the chickens to do what they would normally do, right? Use vertical spaces and be chickens. With regard to hens and eggs, it updates those measurements to not only conform to industry standard as the industry has developed with regard to cage-free eggs, but also promote the welfare of the hens themselves. The ballot measure that was passed in 2016 is set to take effect on January 1st, so just a few days from now. And because the industry has shifted and because almost all the eggs we eat come from out of state, we would basically have no eggs starting January 1st if we don't have this bill signed into law. I certainly did not want to see eggs skyrocket to $5 or $6 a dozen if people could even find eggs. And we needed to update these process standards in order to ensure that we had a consistent egg supply in the state. Eggs are a real staple of our diet overall. Just going to Trader Joe's, for example, one of our Needham staple stores, you can find all different kinds of eggs in their refrigerator. The same is true for Roche Brothers and Sudbury Farms. People in Needham eat eggs. People in Needham bake with eggs. And this bill is an important part of supporting people everyday life. This is literally as much of a kitchen table issue as you get, right? People want to eat their eggs. And in order to eat eggs or bake with eggs or cook with eggs, you need to be able to buy them.